just $100. And you can grab this exclusive Mr. Bean's chair car right now. Act fast.
I'll make my own chair car.
How to build the chair car. Build the mobility mechanism. Firstly, I'll build the drivetrains. I need 2 drivetrains for each side of the car. Connect to the battery box. My chair car needs small wheels, but they must still roll smoothly. Aha! Build the lifting mechanism. This linear actuator will lift the footrest up and down. Connect 2 parts. Testing. Build the chair. The footrest. The armrests. The backrest. Connect the chair to the chassis. Testing backrest and footrest lifting function. Testing movement function. How to build the bed car. Build the bed. The headboard. The footboard. Wake up, the chair car needs you to rescue it. Build the mobility mechanism. With this strong engine, the bed car can move smoothly and handle any road. Add the battery box. Add the wheels. I'll use the steering wheel for my bed car. Add the steering wheel. Connect the bed to the chassis. The bed car has enough room for everyone at once. Testing.
Bed car has arrived.
Oh!
We will save you, buddy.
My saviors are here.
Whoa!
Thank you so much. Let's keep going to Walmart.
Oh no. How to save our bed car now?
You know what?
The boss is looking for a delivery truck. I will build it to get money.
What? I also build the car to get that money.
Let's see which one will win.
Okay, I agree. How to build the chain shaker. Step 1. Build the chain shaker frame. Step 2. Build the container. Step 3. Assemble the container into the vehicle. What about your vehicle?
Here it is.
How to build the Summit Seeker. Step 1. Build the Summit Seeker frame. Step 2. Build the reduction motor. Step 3. Build container. Step 4. Assemble the container into the vehicle.
Let's start.
Level 1 Speed Test. Chain Shaker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Fail. Oh no. Summit Seeker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Pass.
You lose.
Let's try again. Level 2. Bump. Chain shaker. Fail. The Summit Seeker. Fail. The boss will be pleased with us.
I think so.
What are you guys doing with my Lego parts? Salary cut.
Salary cut.
Can you build a car go across this broken bridge?
I'm not sure. Let me find the best option.
Huh? Well done, Mr. Hand. It's so difficult.
I have got an idea. This is the best option.
I agree with you.